Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a reservation on booking.com as a host. So first is head over to admin.booking.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. So from here, you can basically just scroll down until you get to the reservation section. So from here, just click on the specific reservation that you would like to cancel. Say this, for example. Then from here, scroll down to the reservation detail and look for the reservation actions section. Here you can see the request to cancel reservation option. So all you have to do is click on it. Next is select a cancellation reason. Then proceed by clicking on send cancellation request. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!